what message would you like to give to the volunteers who are working individually, and even they are the part of some team or organization, and they are working to do their bit to help people overcome this pandemic?
So you have to protect yourself to be able to protect others for longer. So first step in any emergency situation is save yourself first. Then you can save others. So you need to protect yourself first, then you need to protect others. To protect your, I have told you the three key things. But the third thing you cannot help because distance goes away when you're caring.
Right.
Therefore, you're left with only mask and sanitizer. And if you think you have to deal with too many of those, then you make sure you have a PPE.
Right.
But of the lot, this is the most important.
Thank you, sir.